Hi everybody, this is Miss Yang in Hanoi National University. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Now I will tell you about showing emotion. I will apply it to this sentence. Good morning, how are you? For example, when you feel bored, you say, Good morning, how are you? When you feel tired, I will say, Good morning, how are you? When you feel very angry, I will say, Good morning, how are you? When you feel friendly, I say, Good morning, how are you? Worry, I will say, Good morning, how are you? When you feel very happy, I will say, Good morning, how are you? You can also apply it to other sentences. When I say, I'm getting married, it means I'm very satisfied with my marriage. I hope my video is useful and funny for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and see you again. Good morning. How are you?